Guys, it's your girl Danielle, creator of Danny Did It, the owner of the Purple Ladder Company, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my new videos. I do DIY home improvements here, so if it's anything around the house that needs to be done, most likely you're going to find a video on how to do it right here on this channel. In today's video, I'm going to be bringing to you how to hang a blind in your window. Okay, it's super easy, so let's just get started. If you needed to know how to measure the blinds, you just want to simply go inside and see how much space you have. So from all the way to the side of the pane we're measuring roughly at 23 inches. So anything in between, you want to give a little space, just like this blind is hung. You have some space there. So I'm going to take off about another inch, and I see 22 here. So 22 would be a good measurement for where you want to have the blind cut. You'll see on the hardware here that there's a little sticky piece of tape that you can take off. It does adhere pretty good for smooth surfaces, but my client's home has textured walls, so it won't stay up too good, but it does help to have that sticky tape there. And again, where you see the press, that means that this is going to be the bottom of the bracket. Okay, so for the first bracket, I don't really care where it is. Again, I just want to make sure that it is away from where the old bracket is. So I'm just putting it right there, and I'm using my Ryobi drill. I'm just going to pre-drill some holes where I want to put the screws in, and I'm using a 3/32 drill bit. And so I'm just going to mark some simple holes just so I know where it is, and I can move the hardware down and then go ahead and pre-drill the holes. Okay. So now that I have the holes pre-drilled, I'm just gonna put that bracket right back up where it is. And it does come with all the hardware that you need. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put that screw in just a little bit here. Actually, and I just want to screw it in just a little bit to get the bracket up. And before it goes all the way up, you just want to reposition it, because once that screw gets in pretty good, it's going to be hard to move it. So okay, and so from here we'll be able to drill in the other one. So I have that new hardware pretty secure, and it's not moving anywhere. It is nice and safe and secure. We'll move right on to the next hardware piece. Again, making sure that the lever that says press, because this is how you're going to be able to release your blinds once they are installed. So I'll sit that there, get the screw in just a little bit. Now you're hearing a little resistance, and that could be just because I probably could have used a bigger drill bit to pre-drill the hole, but I just needed a little bit of pre-drill, so I'm not too worried about it because that screw went in anyway. Okay, so inside the hardware box that comes inside of the Hampton Bay Vanity blinds, you have these two end caps. Before you hang the blind up, I will go ahead and just install that properly so that you don't have to worry about trying to put it on there once the blind is hung. So we got that one in, and on the other side you'll see the flat piece down here. You line that up with the flat piece on the blind and just pretty much push it right on in. Okay. Next on the blind, some blinds will have the circle part right here where you just hook that part on. But in this case here, it's just a snap piece. You'll see the circle here. You can go ahead and snap that before you begin to hang the blind. So again, you just want to make sure that it clips into the top part first. Any adjustments that you need to do, you might want to go ahead and do that now, because again, it is important to make sure that that top part snaps in first before you just push it down to the bottom part. So it seems to be in. You'll hear that click, boom, and your blind is up. And that's how you install some blinds. Thank you so much for watching to the end, guys. You all are super, super dope and incredible. It's important to make sure that you're taking accurate measurements of your windows before even going out to purchase. Most all blinds that you hang come with all of the hardware that you need to hang those said blinds. All you need is a drill and a drill bit, and you'll get the job done. Okay, as you can see here in this video, Danny did it, and if I can, so can you. I'm gonna see you guys in my next video.